Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out another one of our newest listings. We're in Gibsonia, Pennsylvania. It's going to be just north of downtown Pittsburgh by about 25 minutes, 30 minutes total, something like that. We're in an awesome, unbelievable community of the Links at Deer Run. We're right next to the Pittsburgh National Golf Club. So if you're into golf, this is a fantastic community for you. It's going to be a lot of condos and duplexes and things of that nature. So we are back here at 1164 behind me, Links Way, 1164 Links Way, Gibsonia, Pennsylvania. And I just want to take you through a brief tour here. It's not going to be too long. It's only 1,652 square feet. It's a 2-bed, 3 full bath with a flex area up top. So let's go in. I'm going to flip the camera around and let's check this bad boy out. All right, guys, so we're starting right here at the front. And you have a 2-car garage. You are connected. It's a quad, so you're going to have a neighbor next to you. But these ones only share the garage walls. So you have one unit on the other side of you. And I want to start outside because I think it's absolutely gorgeous out here. I was sitting on the porch while we had the photographer here. I was trying to get out of his way, and man, I almost fell asleep just because of how amazing it is out here. Right now it's September 9th. This is going to be listed by Friday was that 13th? Oh yeah, by Friday the 13th. So HOA will cover everything on the exterior. They just replaced the roof in July, so it's only like a month and a half old. They did the skylight up on top. They just did that because they replaced the roof. There was nothing wrong with it. There's never been any water damage. This was built 2002. And there was one owner. So the owners just moved out and they took care of this garden. The gentleman that lived here absolutely loved gardening, so he would take care of the garden. Now this is not part of the property. It's more of the community's, but he went ahead and so did his neighbors out front here. They do an absolutely awesome job. They made us look at it. They did a little walking path with the stone. They did all kinds of plants and flowers and stuff in here. So it's a really, really cool private setting. You can see the other road down here. Pittsburgh National Golf Club, the course itself, there's a fairway on the other side of the road way down there. So in the fall, once the leaves fall off, you'll be able to see that fairway there. But right now, this is just so private back here. It's ridiculous. There are blinds that come down so you can you know, give yourself a little more shade if you want a little more shade, but you can see how meticulously they take care of this area. Beautiful little tree out front. Once again, 1164, there you go right there. And step onto the little porch here. Beautiful red door. It's going to be a brick exterior, covered porch with a fan. And I tell you what, just sitting here, you can just imagine being here in the summer, in the evenings, having your coffee here in the morning, and just how absolutely private and calm it is. I'm in the middle of the afternoon right now. Most of the residents are probably going to be retired, I would say. But like I said, it's not a 55 and over community. But all you have is the breeze. That's the only noise back here at all. So you're on the back side of this quad. The road is on, probably 50, 60 feet the other way towards the front. So you don't even have to deal with the road traffic. It is so private back here. There's one more quad over here. So there's a shared driveway that comes in, goes up to that quad, and then you and your neighbor here. And that is it. So let's go ahead and enter. I'm going to enter right into the entryway, obviously. Right into a beautiful little entryway. It's got ceramic tile flooring. You're going to have the coat closet straight ahead, bifold doors. And this has just been so well taken care of. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this property right now. It's amazing. Everything here is original that we know of. I'm not sure if they replaced the hardwood floors in the kitchen, but you'll see that in a second. So you're going to have pretty much carpet almost the whole way throughout. You can see gas fireplace. It does work. I turned it on so you can see right there. Imagine sitting here by Christmas, you and your family, having the kids over, having the grandkids over, sitting in front of this beautiful setting, maybe the Christmas tree over there in the corner or this corner or what have you, and just sitting down, relaxing, talking with everybody. If you're retired, maybe you have the grandkids come over, sitting here, reading books to them or doing whatever you want to do, opening presents, Christmas morning if you still have the kids with you, or even with your spouse or whatever, your partner. absolutely dressing up, decorating this place would be, so cool. Very, very easy because it's not overwhelming. First floor primary. It's got the fan right here as well. This is a vaulted ceiling above this, so it makes it look a little bigger. You can get a little bit of a bigger Christmas tree if you celebrate Christmas. And you're right here with your dining area. So they have a very large china cabinet right here. So just kind of give you a little bit of scale. The carpet's going to continue. Would you replace the carpet? Would you put hardwoods? I've seen them do that. And I really like how they utilize the cabinet space here. So they have cabinets, double-sided cabinets. They did a great job here. So you have glass, put your little goblets and stuff in there. I would probably make this a little bar setting too. And I would maybe put, my liquor and stuff in there, what have you. If you don't drink, then do what you wish. But you can have couple seats right here at the countertop. Look at this, check these floors out. Beautiful hardwood floors. Original cabinets. Even the hardware is original. Everything is sturdy, everything is solid. These are actual real wood. Okay, beautiful little backsplash here. It's going to be a ceramic tile backsplash, stainless steel double bowl sink, garbage disposal. You got your dishwasher, your stainless steel gas powered oven. Microwaves coming with it as well. All the appliances are staying with this home. A little bit of an older refrigerator, but still it works. It's ready to go. Grandkids are spoiled. Absolutely, 100%. All right, walk right into your laundry room. You got your laundry tub, washer and dryer hookups. The washer and dryer will stay. Just like a linoleum flooring or whatnot here. You got your hot water tank back in this closet. You can just see how well they took care of this place. Everything is very meticulous, very clean. Everything's solid. Like there's anything here that's loose. All right, so we're going to step right into, we're going to go through a 3-foot man door, and we're into the 2-car garage. Now these cabinets, the previous owners are leaving with the property. Everything else out of here is going to be going, but everything here is negotiable as well. So you're going to get a refrigerator and an extra refrigerator, which is fantastic for beverages and whatnot, or getting ready for Thanksgiving, and you can throw some extra stuff in here. You don't need to go out and buy another one. Now, 2-car garage, and he was a golf lover, and he loved to design and decorate his garage. So he's got some cool wallpaper here of trees and whatnot. And will it fit big vehicles? I parked my pickup truck in here, and yeah, it's only a regular cab, but you can figure if you have a big SUV, you're gonna fit in here. So really tight right here, but it does fit. So it's a 2-car garage. I'm gonna open up the garage so we can get some light in here and you can see the other side. Lots and lots of storage. I mean, I don't know how much storage you actually need when you're retired, if you want to hold on to stuff. Now, for the gas fireplace, it does have the vent right here on the outside. So look at all this extra space we have. So you could definitely fit 2 cars in there. I kind of parked in the middle of the 2 spaces. But the mural this gentleman did out here in the garage is awesome. It's obviously, he was a golf lover, so he kept everything kind of like a golf theme. He even incorporated like texture, like trees, like fake trees and stuff onto the wall. Very cool. If you're not into that, it's still a cool thing. Just gives you an idea of the things that you can do. You're gonna have storage up here, and there's also a way to get in through a man door up top. I'll show you that in a couple minutes here. But that's a pull down with steps that you can store things above the garage. So let's go back in and keep going with this tour. So pretty easy to step right in, park in the garage, and get out of the weather. You don't even have to go outside really. So if it's raining, snowing, whatever, it's cold, freezing, you just pull right in your garage, walk right through your laundry room into your kitchen. Very spacious kitchen. Like I said, 1,652 square feet according to the taxes. So just a really nice, and these carpets are actually from the original. These are 22 years old. Now the family did go ahead, they ran some steamers and stuff through here, and it just looks fantastic. It smells great in here. First full bedroom or bathroom is going to be right here on the right in the hallway, ceramic tile floor. Got your single bowl sink, toilet. Maybe change the wallpaper, but I'll leave that up to the next owner. You have a stand-up shower. And this has a doorway from the hallway and also a doorway from bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, you could lock the door for the hallway and have this basically as your own little private bedroom, especially if you have guests over or whatnot. Or if you're asleep, you can lock your door and let people still use the restroom. So you got a bifold closet doors, 2 of them here, so it's a double bifold, and there's also going to be a storage, like a little storage Harry Potter type closet underneath the stairs right there. Open up too, so you can see that there's plenty of space for your guests, or if you have kids, this would be, you know, their closet. Now let's go straight across the hallway, so you can see you can go in and out that way, or you can go straight into your bedroom right here. Before we go upstairs, let's go check out the first floor primary. Yes, the carpet's green, but yes, it's in great shape. And yes, you can change that easily. Probably do hardwood, or you can do carpet, whatever. So 2 huge windows. And that's, I mean, this is a quad. This is, you know, so you got 2 shared walls basically. So you only have windows on 2 sides, but check out the amount of light. And yes, I have the fan light on up above it, but look at all the natural light that's coming in. It's a beautiful day here in Pittsburgh and Gibsonia. You know, it's 75 degrees right now. It's September, so it's starting to get fall. The leaves are going to change here soon. You're going to be able to go outside and enjoy that. Now, this is en suite, so you have your full bedroom or full bathroom here on your primary. So you have a single bowl, you have a makeup area if you're, you know, put on your makeup or whatever you want to do there. Extra space, you got a linen closet on the right, toilet on the left. You know, plenty of space. You're not going to be jammed in here. Even if you're a larger person, you know, I think about that when we redo homes, and it's like you don't want to jam somebody in the toilet. All right, so yes, the doors are a little aged and whatnot, but you got a full size, you know, full tub shower combo. It's going to be the what is that called? Fiberglass tub surround, but it's en suite. You don't have to go upstairs to take a shower. You don't have to go upstairs to do a laundry. And that is key nowadays. I mean, I'm 46, something like that, and I'm getting ready to be done with with steps myself. Look at the size of this walk-in closet. Very deep, probably about 7 feet deep, 7 or 8 feet deep. You can hang, you know, you can update these wire hangers if you want to, but they're so useful. You can reconfigure them how you want. There's a light in here, plenty of space, so the carpet continues the whole way. Very large dresser can sit on that wall. You could, you know, obviously get smaller, bigger, whatever. You can have end tables. They even utilized another dresser on the other side. So all this, if you're interested in this home, all the furniture is possibly negotiable. The sellers are going to be open to negotiate that. If you just want to move right in and don't even want to have to go buy any furniture or whatnot. So we're walking upstairs to the flex area, the loft area. You got a huge window on the landing. Check out the setting out there. Like this again, you don't see anyone. You don't hear anyone. You just hear the breeze, birds, and that's it. Everyone here is pretty quiet. And check out the flex space up here. It's totally open. You got a bar on the right here, seating area. So this could be what? This could be the kids' room. This could be your guests, you know, a little sanctuary up here so they can get away and kind of do their own thing upstairs. You have your office on the left. That could be where the bed is. You know, 2 enormous bifold doors right here for a closet. So you can see, you can even throw a cot. They have a cot in here, so when guests came over, they could use the cot if they wanted to. You could pull a pull-out couch up here for guests, so you can still, even if you're retired and you're worried about, oh man, I'm gonna get in this little condo, you can have all this space up here so the kids and everybody can come visit you for the holidays. You can have that Thanksgiving dinner, that Christmas morning, the Christmas dinner and whatnot. Just look at the size up here. And do you love golf? Awesome. He did an amazing job with this little putting green. It's actually inlaid into the carpet. And yes, that's an actual hole over here. So you can be putting up here, practicing, getting your game on before you go over to the course, which, by the way, you could just walk over in a matter of minutes. Very cool little area back here. This is what they had set up for an office. You could too. Two enormous windows out the front above the porch. So just the space here just amazes me for this condo. When I heard condo, I was like, oh, it's gonna be small. And then you actually get up here and you're like, holy smokes, this is a lot of room. Look at this seating area. You could be up here watching your games, watching Sunday football, basketball, whatever you got to do, or you wanted to golf. If you're into golf, you can come up here, have a few drinks, watch golf all day long, even practice back there on your own putting green, or walk over and use the putting green in the Pittsburgh National Golf Club. Full-size bathroom, very spacious up here. You got another large countertop, single bowl, area for a chair right here. Enormous mirror on the wall here, a little sconce up top. 4 light bulbs, you got a soaking tub. Very large soaking tub. You could be up here, get away from anybody that's here. Your guests can get away and just have a nice bath. Relax after a long trip to come visit grandma and grandpa. You got your toilet back in the right here, so another little cut-in area. Linen closet, 2 bifold doors, plenty of space to go right there. And this is the man door I was talking about above the garage. So there's gonna be items in here that are gonna be cleaned out. Let me get a light on as soon as I find a light. So lots and lots and lots of storage up here. The man door comes up right here right above the garage. You're gonna have your heating system over here, your furnace. This is central AC, it's gas furnace, gas, hot water tank, gas gas stove. So everything here is gas powered, even the fireplace. So that is 1164 Links Way. It's going to be on the market by the end of the week. So by September 13th, this bad boy will be able to have showings in it. The cleaners did an amazing job. They had cleaners come in, do a professional cleaning job, touch up any little things that they could. There wasn't much to touch up just because they took such great care of it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I love showing the actual listings instead of just all these the $1 million listings and stuff like that. I like to be able to offer, hey, we work with everybody at every level of where they're at in their life, or financially wherever they're at. You don't need $1 million home. Maybe you need a $350,000 or $360,000 home like this one. You're ready to downsize a little bit and you want to live on a first floor primary. This is the type of homes that are perfect for you in a community. Yeah, there's HOA fees, but they take care of everything. The exterior, you don't have to worry about the yard, the snow removal, the roof. Something happens outside on the street or anything like that, trees fall, that's HOA. All right, so yeah, I know sometimes the HOA can be a little difficult, but they can be very beneficial as well. Plus you got the pool, you got a clubhouse that you can rent down there for, events. Pickleball courts, you have a bocce court. I'll throw in a little bit of B-roll with that stuff. And with that, guys, if you're looking to buy, sell, relocate to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, check this house out. Hit me up with any questions on what do you got on any other real estate needs. And until next time, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Keep it real estate. We'll see you on the next one.